Lido ako.
Grabe mga hugot ngayong araw na to.
Oo nga eh. Dapat talaga hindi ako pumasok eh. Araw ng mga puso, hindi talaga para siguro sa akin pumasok.
Huwag kang ganyan dahil ngayong araw, Valentine's Day. Kaya meron ng bagong Pilipinas na espesyal na guest. Sila ay ang ating power couple, ang ating barkada na si Cabinet Secretary Carlo Nograles at ang kanyang napakagandang asawa na si Miss Marga Nograles. Magandang umaga!
Miss Marga!
Magandang umaga!
Morning.
Valentine's Day.
Happy
Actually,
Valentine's.
ikaw lang i-hot seat eh. Kasi host din ako dito.
Hindi pwede. Ako na lang mag-host.
Pero you'll
Ako
be
na
the
lang
guest
mag-interview
today,
sa'yo.
Cabset.
Bawal
Ano?
maging guest ngayon.
Bawal maging guest.
Ay, bawal maging host. Ikaw ang guest.
Alright, so mamaya i-explain natin kung ano may hawak ninyo. Pero gusto namin, bigyan nyo kami ng onting background sa kung paano nga ba nagsimula ang iyong love life.
Ikaw.
Marga.
Paano ba?
Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw yung interview namin
Oo
eh.
nga. Nako, daya naman. Hindi. Paano ba? Paano ba?
Na-pair kami
Yeah.
sa isang... Kasi pag fiesta sa Davao, may dance, di ba? Like in any mga probinsya, di ba? May sila pag fiesta, may dance. So meron kaming tinatawag na Hijos de Davao. That's the children, parang of mga founding families ng Davao. So meron yan, cotillion. Leonor. So it was a special year for Hijos de Davao that year. So pinapair ang past muses sa past presidents ng Hijos de Davao. Eh si Marga sa past muse. Pero ako hindi ako past president. Hindi, nag-proxy ako for my uncle who was the past president. But because he could not make it, akong pinaproxy niya.
Thanks to your uncle.
Oh my, oh, diba? So meant to be
yun.
talaga.
So pagdating doon, hindi mo naman alam kung sinong pair mo eh. Doon pa lang, sa first practice pa lang, magkakaalaman, mga tita-tita doon, sila nagpe-pair kung sino.
Oh, naku.
Pinair kaming dalawa ni Marga.
So mga ilang years ago na to, Miss Marga?
Siguro that's how long have we been together? We've been married 13 years.
Oh, diba? 13
And then, so mga 2 years. So 15 years ago. Bagets pa tayo nun.
Ayan.
More than 15.
More than 15.
Pero grabe ang sweet niya pa rin. Nakikita ko yung mga posts niyo sa isa't
Oo
isa.
nga, lalo
Parang
na mga
everyday,
Instagram stories natin
May
everyday.
mga I love you.
Oo.
Ganyan. O, diba?
Parang
Kilig.
mababasa na lahat na mag-scroll sa kanilang mga stories sa Instagram.
Parang,
ano ba yan?
Ay, tingnan ko siya, magkaiba reaction namin
Sa akin,
dalawa.
ano ba yan? Sana all. Ganun eh. Well, anyway, we have our game today. Ang mechanics lamang yan is, of course, we'll be giving you some funny questions. And all you have to do is kung approve or disapprove, at saka gagamit kayo ng emoji kung kayo ay disapprove or disapprove. Tapos yung thumbs up and thumbs down natin is kung you agree or disagree.
Okay.
Okay, the first question is, was it love at first sight during that cotillion time?
Agree.
Agree. Kapsek,
right?
hindi ko naintindihan sagot nyo.
Ayun,
Agree and approve.
Okay.
Agree and approve. Agree.
Masyado kang na big honey sa kagandahan ni Miss Marga.
I think si Marga has a term for it, sabi niya.
No, I always say, when you know, you know. Diba? When you don't know, you know.
You know.
yan.
Okay.
Diba? Tama.
Ikaw rin, alam mo na siya.
Oo, weird.
Ay.
Weird. I always say, you just know. I don't know, everything just kind of fell into place
my
that way.
goodness.
I tell my children that too. It's just strange. Right?
Actually, na siya,
No, usually I'm not shy. Hindi ako shy. Pero when I was with him and then we were together that night, I couldn't even talk to him properly as nauutal. Diba? Promise. Alam ko na. Tapos siya, hindi naman niya na-notice.
Ayun.
Did you notice that I parang was stuttering and whatever? Then he's like, huh? No.
Ay! O, tika, ito gusto ko. Next question.
Kapsik is seloso.
Seloso, agree or disagree?
Uy, hindi. No.
I wish.
No, hindi.
No, in fairness, hindi. The joke lang to, joke.
Okay, so hindi pala.
Hindi. Si Miss Marga,
Hindi,
seloso,
hindi.
selosa.
Agree or
Saan? Anong? Hindi.
Okay, next
Ito.
question.
Next question.
Selosa kaya ito, sobra.
Selosa sobra.
Selosa, sobra.
Hindi naman sobra. Selosa.
Lalo na sa akin, wag ka magsaselos.
Minsan, selosa.
I know!
A third question. Okay, if medyo complicated to. If ano yun?
Hindi issue.
Hindi,
Ay,
if
doon
let's
na.
say maging zombie kayo pareho, tapos kailangan may isa lang matira. At kasi kakainin nyo yung isa. Will you still stay together or not? Agree or disagree?
Together.
Stay together. So, sinong kakain ng sino?
Wala, hanggang hindi na lang kami
Hindi.
kakain.
Wala na.
Mamamatay na lang kami.
Oh, diba? Ay,
Ito,
sweet.
hindi issue ang quality time for your family despite the busy schedule. Agree or disagree?
Hindi
Agree,
issue.
It's not an issue.
Hindi
Not an issue. You know, I always say, si Carlo always finds time somehow. No matter how busy he is, he finds time somehow. I feel nga sometimes he's more hands-on pa with the children than me, somewhat,
Ay.
no?
Tatlo, no?
Because of
Tatlo.
the
Daming
quality.
points na ni Marga sa akin.
diba?
Na parang 1 million points.
Oo, mamaya tayo mag-usap.
Ano
Mamaya
regalo
tayo
mo
mag-usap.
mamaya kay Smarga? O sige, magtanong kayo ng isang question to each other na dapat special question that you've always been wanting to ask. But since Valentine's Day, you have the liberty to ask.
Talaga?
Go! Exciting.
Babe. Gusto mo ba talaga yung masayaw ko dito sa bagong Pilipinas?
Ay! Okay. Everyone! Okay, the question yun. Okay, I will answer. Yes, I enjoy it because I know you enjoy it. He loves it. He looks forward to being with all of you. Oh, with all of you also. Tapos I was wondering, parang natutuwan. He doesn't, he would rather sleep than wake up early, no? But he doesn't, he looks forward to waking up at, oh my gosh, 5 o'clock to be with all of you.
Yun.
So I am happy because you are happy.
Diba? I'm happy because you
Si
are
Miss
happy.
Marga, ano yung tanong?
Ako ang tanong ko, ang serious naman yung tanong ko, ano lang, what is your favorite date to date? Our favorite date.
First.
Your favorite date of
Parang
First date,
slambok
first
lang,
date.
oh.
Incredibles.
Ay, okay lang The Incredibles movie.
Yes.
Tapos, before kami nanood, kumain kami ng crabs.
Oo.
Kasi gusto-
crab.
As in,
Kasi-
first date, I had to make kamay.
Saan Davao to?
Hindi.
Here.
Kasi gusto ko malaman yung gusto mo kita paano kumain ng crabs si Marga.
So ako nagkamay. Meanwhile, siya nag-fork and knife. To eat crabs.
Paano mag-fork and knife si Miss Marga?
No.
Hindi ako marunong
I just
mag-crabs
wanted,
ng pork and knife.
hindi, gusto ko kasi yung alam mo yun, yung parang gusto makita na cowboy. Cowboy siya. Or wala, I just wanted an
paano?
unusual
Social na
date
social si Miss Marga?
Hindi
Social.
social, hindi. Kumakamay. Hindi yan. Shana ito. Shana. Talaga,
You
probinsyano.
will know her better. You'll see the
Shano kami,
mark
Shano,
talaga.
Shana.
Probinsyano.
Probinsyano.
Well, I think that's the reason why maraming tao mahal si Miss Marga.
Yes,
Diba?
of
And of course, maraming yung kanilang storya, yung kung paano nila sagutin ang mga tanong ngayon, that's just an inspiration para sa lahat ng mga lovers sa buong bansa.
Oo, diba? To stay in love, kasi parang in love po sila.
Love is in the air dahil dyan. Happy Valentine's Day from Bagong Pilipinas.
Yes. From
Thank you so
Family
much.
and love deserve.
family with love dessert. Yan.
Yes.
And of course,
Ang happy naman din, of course, let's not forget. Ayan, our vlog. Ayan. Oo, nahawak ko rin ngayon. She
Para
for
sa'yo.
you.
kiss!
Isang kiss naman dyan.
Kiss sa lips! Bawiin yung ginawa.
Ayun! Di ba?
Diba?
Gusto niyo din, nag-episode ng Valentine's Day. Tapos sasaktan niyo lang ako. Gusto niyo yan. Go. Well, of course, thank you so much, Miss Marga and Cabinet Secretary Carly Nagrales sa pagpapa-share ng inyong love story sa amin. Of course, na-inspired sila ako. Hindi na muna pwede siguro.
Na-stress ka?
Hindi, of course. Ako rin, na-inspired din naman ako, di ba?
Well,